This video is for impact of daylight saving time on ASTPP. This is on the version ASTPP version 5. So I am in the dashboard right now here in the admin portal. From configurations from time zones, we can have all the time zones available on the ASTPP version 5, where we can have daylight saving time accordingly used on the time zones. Here let me just once explain about what is daylight saving. So daylight saving time is the practice of shifting the clock ahead when summers approaches and back as winter come back. So suppose whatever the time zone, suppose as an admin, so let me go to admins, and suppose as admin, my time zone is America, Toronto, GMT -5. Okay, and here the daylight saving time is going on. So accordingly, for a time zone, suppose in ASTPP we have different entities, yes, the customers, providers, resellers. So if whatever we have in our system, if I have 10 resellers, if I have thousands customer, they can have different time zones. Yes, for customers, let me show you here. As an admin, I can have different time zone. As my customers, whatever my customers will be available here, they will be have different time zones according to the selected time zone of the entities, any entities like reseller, customer, providers. So system will have the uh, time zones available in their accounts with the selected time zones. It may be for daylight saving time. Yes, it's maybe for different country time zone where saving time is not in use. Yes, so now suppose for this time, for this customer account, for this time, daylight saving is on right now in the summer season. So in that case, what system will do, whatever the time, exact time, accordingly system will use that time to have uh, all the things in that time zones for this customer account. Let me log in into the customer. I will show you because I have make one call already. I can show you the CDRS, where in CDRS you can see the time zone available. Here is, it is the 10 p.m. currently, as per the Toronto time, as per the DST time. So accordingly, in that time CDRS has been posted in his account, because in the customer account I have selected the time zone accordingly. Yes, let me go back into the admin portal. So here in configurations, crons, we have crons for the time zone. Let me show you here. Yes, the time zone update. So whatever the DST time zone in any countries, for those time zone, system will automatically update the time accordingly as per the DST time, as per the daylight saving time. And whatever those time zone will be selected for any of our customers or resellers in our ASTPP. So ASTPP will work accordingly. ASTPP will post CDRS for their account accordingly to their time zone in the summers, and in the winters whatever the time, accordingly they will be there will be CDR post in the account, and the other things also. So this is how in ASTPP version 5 we can have the daylight saving time zones also.